Alright, we got Lito Cool versus New Heist. Los Boogie. Here we go! Oh! Yeah! Clap! Woo! Clap! Woo! Round one. Woo-hoo! Oh, personal. Oh. Woo! Oh, that's nice. They're just having fun, y'all. They're just having fun. Round one. Having fun. Shoe in the face. Oh, what you gonna do? Round two. What you gonna do? Round two. Woo! That goes the focus. The focus and the eye contact. Yeah. Woo! Look at that move, man. Woo! Yeah. What you gonna do? Round two. Woo! Ha 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 ha! Comedy up here. Real comedy. Keeping them air moves, baby. Air moves. Woo, backslide. 6-step. Super hops. Oh, hi. Yeah. Woo! 1990. That's what that move is called. Yeah. Like cutting off his head and stuff with imaginary things. That's called a burn, everybody. That's called a burn. While holding the forehead. Woo! Goes around his head. Yeah. Last round for New Heist. Last round for New Heist. Yeah, get him. Get him. Get him. I'd rather be part of the jury with y'all. I kind of am, you know.
That's pretty good.
The judges, the jury.